Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPOM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and then red line annotations are coming from, and both levels still pertain. The big dynamic that occurred today was, in technical jargon, got the trend line breakout, so the price got above that trend line and did a good job of holding up above it as the day played out. So first thing I'm going to do is just get rid of that line. That has served its purpose. And also want to add in one of the newest areas of support. And this is what I would definitely call the ideal. I would say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up there above 12.5 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 12.5, I am not saying then that means the entire chart is epically destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above 12.5, that would definitely be a great sign of power going forward. But like I said, if that level doesn't hold, not the end of the world, because you still not only have that next level down there around the 9-cent mark, but you also continue to have that purple line there, the very well-known and very famous 50-period moving average. So in other words, there's quite a few levels of support heading into next week. What about areas of resistance? Well, at this point, pretty straightforward right now. Party stopped today on a couple of times, right up there around, let's get this to red for resistance. There we go. But the party stopped right up at 18 cents. So 18 cents, like I said, a couple of times earlier on in the day, rejected the price. So that'll be without doubt public enemy number one going into next week. But all in all, very, very powerful way to end the week with the last couple of days, and not just a question of can the price continue to build upon this momentum next week. We'll see what happens, but there's no doubt about it. This one has set off a lot of volume scanners, and I'm sure there's going to be plenty of people that stumble across it over the weekend. So yeah, next week should be pretty entertaining. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.